Bridging the Gap, presented by Lucretia Anderson, LA Innovative Company. Integrating new technology into any institution can face challenges, and there are different type of people who will adopt these new technologies. The kind of adopters: first, innovators, people who are risk taker and are ready to invest in a new technology. The early adopters, because of their social status, they can influence others based on their ideas. The early majority, they focus on solutions and convenience instead of technology and performance. Late majority, they adopt new technology and they have little financial liquidity. The laggards, the last to adopt an innovation and tend to focus on traditions. Utilizing the innovators, the early adopters, and early majority. The innovators, they are prepared to deal with any uncertainty that may arise and are willing to take on the risk. I would encourage these risk takers to adopt the new technology and create strategies for them to employ. Jesus was creative, and he employed different strategies and skills to minister, teach, and perform miracles. The early adopters would be utilized to help sell and promote the innovation. They are influencers and can persuade others to go with their ideas. Jesus uses people who are great influencers with the gospel. These influencers, example, Paul, he was a great influencer to spread the gospel, and his letters today are the Christians' innovation to the new life in Christ Jesus. The early majority would be given professional development through webinars to adapt to the new technology. Christ, our great teacher, focused on the future for the church, a larger picture than the challenges we face. Jesus' vision for us is that we should always be opened to new ways of fulfilling his purpose, looking unto Jesus, the author and finisher of our faith. Hebrews 12:2. Working with the late majority and laggards. The late majority are also skeptic about the innovation of technology. I would teach and create ways to persuade the late majority to adapt to the innovation. I would encourage them not to wait until their peers have adopted this innovation, but that they invest in the new technology which provides online courses and programs that will strengthen the reputation of the school and increase student success. The laggards are traditionally focused on their old methods. They are the last to accept the innovation and are too skeptical about it. I would work with the laggards to prove to them that the innovation will bring success to the students and the school. Psalm 104:24 states, "O Lord, how manifold are your works! In wisdom have you made them all. The earth is full of your creatures." In summary, technology integration into schools, as I said, can bring challenges that one has to face. However, there are ways to deal with each innovator to adopt the new form of innovation and be successful. Jesus was our great innovator, and as creative, he utilized many different strategies to teach and reach people.